Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We're gonna be drawing a bird like a J. I'm gonna start with shapes. Do you know which shapes are right for the bird? I think semicircle. I draw a semicircle for the body, like this, straight line, curved line. And for the head, I'm gonna use another semicircle, straight line and curve. After that, I want to draw a beak with two triangles, like a mountain. I draw a tiny circle for the eye. For the wing, I choose another semicircle. And for the tail, I'm drawing a triangle. For the legs, I draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. The mommy bird wants to feed the baby birds. Let's draw 3 little birds for this mommy. First of all, I draw a semicircle like this. And for the texture basket, I draw straight lines up like this. Then crisscross them this way, like this. And draw semicircle, 3 semicircles for the body of the little birds. For the heads, I use upside down circle, semicircle of course, like this. Here, the wings. For the eyes, I just draw circle, tiny circle. For the beaks, just draw a triangle. Draw a circle in her mouth, just like seed. Okay, that's it, and I'm gonna painting this drawing. Let's get started. I'm gonna use black color pencil for the body and for the head. that's it. It's so easy. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.